I'm just off on my morning stroll. Just popping up the path here. Through the bushes. Through nature. Ah, the Grand Reservoir. There she is. What a beauty. Greetings, Mr. Pigeon. How are you today? I hope you don't mind me following you there. Oh, off he goes. Let's just get a little close up there. And one more. Thank you, Mr. Pigeon. I must go now. Bye. Let's continue down the path. What a bloody lovely view. Just look at that. Simply stunning. Ducks. Hello there, Mr. C. Oh, he does not want to be on camera at all. Off he pops. Some birds there. Excuse me? Fly away if you're gay. Only kidding. Off we pop now towards the staircase of sadness, taking us out of nature and straight into traffic. Bye, geese.